Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is what we do on my channel. We learn about art, we practice our skills, and we get creative. So on this channel, we're gonna tap into that joy that art can create in our daily life. So if painting is one of your loves, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can get notifications and we can enjoy painting together. These videos are going to be a little different than my previous videos, so let me tell you how these videos are going to go. We're going to open up our journals. We're going to have a surprise of what we're going to paint for that day, and it just makes it easy so we don't have to put a lot of thought into it. We're going to pull out the colors that we'll be using in our painting, and this will be a surprise too. Members have access to the color mixing video so that they know how to mix these colors. The next thing that I do is I pull out my secret ingredient. These are the things that you may not know that you can use with acrylics, and you don't have to use these with me, they're just optional, but maybe they will catch your interest and you'll want to experiment and try them out for yourself. So I love to keep things simple. So we're going to use acrylic paints because they're easy for beginners, they dry fast, and there's so much you can do with them. I have put the list of supplies that I am using in the description and links to them so that you can get whatever it is you need to. I have also listed my palette in the description, and this palette is going to keep your colors wet, so you only have to mix one time this month and you have your colors ready each time you sit down and paint with me. And then we're going to get right into painting, and I'm going to share with you the steps that I'm taking with my painting, and I'm going to give you tips. But I won't be talking along with these videos, which is different than my other videos, and the reason for that is what I call the flow. This is a mental state where you're fully immersed and focused on your painting. There is a lot of knowledge that I have learned over the years that are going to dictate my choices that I'm going to make as I'm painting. I share this knowledge with you in my weekly art lessons for my Createful Art members. It's up to you if you want to take these lessons further and learn more from me. These member lessons, I focus on what you need to know to become a better artist. Together, these lessons are meant to help you have better results with your paintings and get you to the level of a professional artist. I also offer my painting as a reference photo to my Createful Art members. And what this does is it helps those who are beginners to come out with a successful painting so that they can learn where the light and shadow goes or how a composition would look. The next thing to focus on is finding your own unique style and building your creative confidence. These are just as important as learning your art skills. These videos are meant to inspire you to take what you have learned and build upon it to create your own painting. I want you to feel free to make something unique to you. The paintings in this journal are not meant to be perfect. This is a place where you can go in and you can practice your skills, you can experiment, and you're just here to have fun. And as you look back in your book, you're going to see improvement in your paintings. So I think you're going to want to stick around for the end of my painting when I go through and I talk about what I would change about my painting, what I learned from the whole process, and what my favorite things were. And then in the comments, I'd love to hear what you guys learned and what you loved about your paintings. And then a super way for you to share your paintings with me is on Instagram. You can put @CreatefulArt tagged onto your painting or #CreatefulArt, and I'll be able to see it. And then I can leave you a comment. So this is all you need to know. Check the description for the supplies that you will need, and I look forward to creating with you. I will see you in my next video. Bye!